guess we'll start with the bottom up. It came with 2 sets of wheels. These ones are the ones for carpet, and it came with an extra spare of wheels, which I believe would be more for like hardwood. So like use these so you could swap them out, whatever. Actually, building this thing was super cool. It came with a set of gloves, so you keep your hands clean, which is awesome. So yeah, moves really smoothly on carpet. And then obviously you got your recliner adjustment, your height and all that. I currently have it on its lowest level. You can move the arms in or out, although it is a process because you have to use the actual screws to adjust it. So that, I mean, maybe if there was an adjustment for that, it'd be nicer, or it'd be easier if it wasn't easier, but I just set it up and it's good to go. Full mesh, so it doesn't, you don't get sweaty. It's got a really nicely padded seat. And you've got your lumbar support, which can go in or out and up or down, which is awesome. I've currently got it set to pretty stiff for reclining. And then this thing is super awesome. No like locking or anything, but it just sets and then you can push it backwards or forward, whatever. It's honestly, $400 chair, and I would say it's completely worth it.